Good evening. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Just wanted to give you a quick weather webcast update now as we head into the mid to late evening hours and heading into the overnight. On what you can expect, we're starting to see the conditions really improve widespread across the region, although still snowing in some spots. It's just fairly light snow. We've seen a few pockets of more moderate snow showers around Tazewell County. We're recording this webcast, by the way, around 7 o'clock in the evening for time reference if you're watching this a little bit later. So we're seeing a few little pockets of lighter snow right now, maybe to moderate bands, right around Route 29 and just around South Pekin and Delavan. Also seeing some moderate bands over towards Knox County as well, and then also some decent snow going on right now in southeastern portions of Logan and then also in DeWitt County as well. That's really all that we have. Here's the loop over the last couple of hours. Watch this thing just kind of break apart and really lighten up as well. And that's going to continue as we head over the next couple of hours. As we get deeper into the overnight, what's going to end up happening is our center of circulation, the low, is south of us. And the actual storm in itself, the center of the storm, is going to move that direction to the north and east into Indiana. Once it does that, what we'll get on is the weather term is called the deformation zone, but essentially it's just the back end of this low that was a wraparound. And so we'll see that starting to slide into the region, so a lot of our precip will end up, now it's kind of just moving from east to west. Eventually we'll start to see it kind of move from north to south, and then the whole band in itself will continue to chug along towards the east following that low. But it's a slow mover, so it probably hangs around for the next maybe couple of days. But it's going to be very light snow, so I don't think we're going to add a whole lot more to the accumulations than we already have around the area, which pretty much, and like I said, our snow accumulation forecast pretty close to where we ended up being, 2 to 4 inches pretty much along the Illinois River. The band did stretch a little bit further to the east along the I-55 corridor. We saw some pretty heavy snow in McLean County from the afternoon. But other than that, forecast verified. We did see some heavier amounts, obviously, up towards Knox County. We're up in Galesburg, close to 8, 9, even as high as 10 inches around Knox County. But it was a very narrow band of very heavy snow up to our north and west. Here's some of our cameras from this evening. And again, there is a lot of snow out there, but the roads aren't too bad. Very slushy. And that's also going to be a good thing because the winds start to pick up. But because it's a very wet, very slushy snow, the winds really won't pick this up. So blowing and drifting will not be a concern as we head through the overnight tonight. Here's Galesburg, and considering that there was far more snow up in Knox County than anywhere else, it doesn't look too bad. Now, this is one of the main thoroughways. I've seen numerous pictures from one of our weather watchers in Galesburg where the side streets are a mess. Those were his words. And that's pretty much the norm across much of the region. But obviously, when you have higher amounts, it's going to be a little bit more troublesome on those side streets, and it'll take some time to actually get those cleaned up. In Peoria, again, visibilities have improved, even though we're just seeing the light snow. Interstate 74 looks good. Traffic moving along smoothly and doesn't look like it should be a problem as we head through the overnight. And again, even though we're going to continue with snow chances as we head, I'll flip back to radar here, over probably, like I said, the next 12 to 24 hours, maybe even 36 hours, we're not going to add too much to this. So plows will be out, continuing to treat those roadways, and hopefully we'll have a smoother commute into work and school for your Wednesday morning as opposed to what we had earlier on this morning. We'll have another update coming at you on the TV side, WMBD 31 News at 10. If there's any changes in the forecast, of course, we'll give you another webcast, and we'll keep you updated on Facebook and Twitter as well. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Tuesday evening.